After traveling full-time for 4 years, I'm trading my suitcase for a set of house keys. Sleeping in the same bed for 6 months rather than 6 nights. Settling down in one place, you start to notice changes. Subtle shifts, one at a time. Life's rhythm is shifted. Everything is different. A totally new kind of adventure. Have you ever paid attention to the sounds that greet you when you wake up? They used to change every morning, but now they are more familiar, as I hear the city repeat its morning routine. I've bought slippers, big, cozy, impractical to pack slippers, with no luggage restrictions to worry about. There's a newfound freedom to accumulate more possessions. It's both liberating and intimidating. Breakfast is no longer an adventure in itself. Every bite is no longer a surprise. Instead of a culinary journey, it becomes a ritual, a comforting ritual. Maybe I like routine. Maybe Montreal will be the place, and I won't want to leave this comfortable life. I must admit, it's less chaotic than working on the move, in the back of buses, at airports, or by riverbanks. But there's definitely less cleaning to do when you're on the road. A perk of living out of hostels and hotels, trading transit for tidying. My clothes are a lot cleaner here, but I think they do miss getting rugged and dusty from all the adventures, almost as much as I do. Daily strolls have replaced ambitious hikes, and bixies have taken the place of bikes. But there's one thing that travel inherently lacks: deeper connections. The joy of familiar faces, shared histories, and the effortless comfort that comes with years of understanding. But remember, at heart, I am a traveler. Tomorrow, I won't wake up to the thrill of a new city or the allure of an unexplored trail. Instead, I'll welcome the familiar view of this street, this city, and this rhythm that I'm gradually shaping as my own.